Hey gorgeous, what's up? It's your girl Keisha. A while ago, I made a DIY Beauty Elixir video and a lot of you really liked it from the feedback. But unfortunately, that video got deleted off of my channel. So today, I am going to be recreating that video as a request from a lot of my subscribers. So this elixir is based off of the Farsali Rose Gold Beauty Elixir. And if you guys haven't heard of it, where have you been? But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to click that button. And give this video a big thumbs up for DIYs. So if you guys want to see how to make this DIY Beauty Elixir, then just keep on watching.
And to pay homage to the original DIY video, here's the intro.
A beauty elixir is a powerful nutrient-packed facial oil that has amazing benefits for the skin depending on what oils you add into it. It can be used as a moisturizer for your lips, as a treatment under the eyes for fine lines and dark circles, and can also be added into your foundation to give you a nice luminous, natural finish. The first thing you're going to need is some type of dropper bottle to store your oil in, preferably one that's amber or dark in color, but so long as you keep it in a dark place, a clear one should be just fine. The first ingredient is apricot oil. It's a very light oil that leaves the skin soft and smooth. It's mildly comedogenic, so we're going to be adding a little less of it. The second oil is grapeseed oil. It's another light oil, but it will not clog the pores. It has linoleic acid. It balances the skin, it gets rid of skin discoloration, and it tightens the skin as well. The next ingredient is jojoba oil. This is another light oil that is similar to the sebum that our skin naturally produces. It's easily absorbed into the skin and combats fine lines and scarring, and also it stimulates the production of collagen. Next is vitamin E oil. This oil blocks and fights free radical damage, which are known to play a huge role in the aging of the skin. It also gets rid of scars, and it's a natural preservative. Moving on to essential oils. Now be careful how you use these because they're highly potent, but they do wonders for the skin. The first one is orange oil. It increases circulation, it's great for inflammation, it kills bacteria, it slows the rate of skin damage from UV rays as well. Now it does cause temporary photosensitivity, so you'll want to lather up on the SPF. Next is lemongrass. It has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. It's a great astringent. It also helps to limit the secretion of oil. It minimizes pores and it firms the skin. The last ingredient is one of my favorite oils. This is rosehip essential oil. It penetrates the deeper layers of the skin. It helps to regenerate cells. It increases the production of collagen, and it's packed with fatty acids and retinoic acid, so it's great for anti-aging as well. Give your oil a gentle shake to mix all the ingredients, and your DIY Beauty Elixir is ready to use.
And this is the finished product. It's an amazing beauty oil for your skin. You can use it in your makeup routine or in your skincare routine, and it works just fine either way. I'm gonna also show you guys how to make a label, because I don't know about you, but I ain't got no fancy label maker. So we're gonna be making a bootleg label maker.
To make your label, you're gonna need some scissors, tape, and a Sharpie marker. Take a piece of tape and stick it onto a flat surface. Grab your Sharpie marker and label it whatever you like to call it. I like to put the list of ingredients as well, so it's really handy when I want to make it later on. Once that's done, take another piece of tape and layer it on top of the first. This will make a laminator and help keep your label in place. Cut off the fray ends with some scissors and stick it onto your Beauty Elixir.
So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys really liked it. Comment down below and tell me what video you would like to see next. And girl, what you staring at? Go ahead and click over here to see some of my previous videos. Stay gorgeous, stay fabulous, and I'll see you lovely ladies and gents in my next video. Bye!